Hi, I'm Jeff Dodd in New Zealand, and here's my affiliate story. I started out as an affiliate marketer on the internet in 1997. I did well from 1998 on, selling data and secret resource sites to US private investigators. I made over 100,000 US dollars doing SEO and AdWords. I also did well with a network marketing health-related company. But traffic-wise, getting visitors, I found I was relying on Google way too much for my free organic search traffic. When Google changed its rules or hiccuped, I started losing out on web visitors big time. Even Google AdWords custom gave me trouble with low quality scores for my homemade web pages. But they wouldn't explain the new rules in Google. Things got worse. It was so damn frustrating. I got depressed, and it even cost me a marriage. Fast forward to February of 2016. I've just discovered that Vic Strazus and Jason McLean of High Traffic Academy are giving away a full 14 days of high-quality, step-by-step video training in the internet marketing space. Vic and Jason are clearly the real deal. They're both very highly skilled marketers and great guys to have as friends and mentors. Even the 14 days of free videos they give you in Project Breakthrough will lift your skills level amazingly in this online industry. I put a link to a page I made below in the description of this video. Please go and check it out in the video description below, and I'll make a promise to you.